Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an international payment from your Lloyds account. So the first thing you will need to do is to basically log into your Lloyds account and then click on the menu and then choose send money outside the UK. Once you choose that, you can then select an international recipient. So if you already have sent money to this person before, you can basically use their saved details on your app. If it is a first time, so if you haven't sent any money to this person before, you will basically need to choose pay someone new and then choose the country from the list and then simply enter the person's details. After that, you will enter how much currency you would like to send. So if you want to change the currency, you can simply select the flag icon and choose a new currency. Once you do that, you can simply select continue to review the payment details, and if you are happy with it, you can click on confirm payment to complete the payment request. Lloyds might ask you to enter your password if you are sending money to somebody new, and this is basically for your security. So this is how to make an international payment from your Lloyds account. Super easy and simple.